Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new group chat on Facebook Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to create a new group chat, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Messenger app and here just tap on this create new chat option, then select group chat. And here you just have to select the people with which you want to create a new group. So I'm going to select these both. So once I've selected, tap on the next option here. And here you have to enter a group name. So I'm going to enter, let's say this one. Once I've entered the name, just tap on done, then tap on create option here, and it will create a new group. So now you can customize your group by tapping on this option here. Just tap on rename if you want to rename, or if you want to add a profile, you can also add a profile option here. So you can see members, you can see admins, you can place new members here. So in this way you can easily create a new group chat on your Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.